What's going on, guys? Anthony Angelillo here. I just wanted to take a moment and I wanted to say that USHUD, I've been with this company, I want to say, Mike Urbanowski, CEO, Jim Buffington, Bill, all great guys, talk about camaraderie and teamwork. Amazing company. I've been with them since 2006. Okay. And my team uses their service. The leads that we get from USHUD in the state of Florida, they're exclusive. Okay. And that means, let's take a competitor. I don't want to repeat names here, but you can take XYZ competitor and they are a mouse click away to go into another funnel or get captured on another landing or squeeze page. Now, I derive 19,000 leads statewide myself, on top of buying leads through third parties, and I've tried them all. And I can tell you proudly, every single person in that team, USHUD, okay, in Maryland, where my production manager is actually from, they're amazing and they're exclusive, but you have 5 minutes to call. So the people that actually are receptive and the closure rate and capture rate skyrockets, 26% more likely to convert if you call them under 5 minutes and you have a CRM. So I'm going to tell you, look, any lead and every lead is the same lead, period. This type of lead is exclusive to a lender and a realtor. That's what is key, but they're a mouse click away. The end user, the consumer, is a mouse click away to opt in somewhere else. So you've got to be quick. I'm a proof of concept. I close myself on average, 15, 20, 25 units. Our goal is 100 units collectively. My goal personally is 35 units per month. The point I'm trying to make is give them a shot, no contract, which is wonderful, month to month, and a small, $200, startup fee. It's amazing. I mean, close one deal and it's paying for itself. So this is the testimonial that I wanted to do, and I love USHUD, and I just got to say kudos to everyone in that team, and let's tag team this deal. Thanks.